Precision verbs for icy writing: recommend, warn, urge, clearly. Welcome! In leadership updates and IC reports, word choice shapes decisions. Precise verbs turn raw analysis into action. When you write, "Revenue declined 4%, leaders know what to do," when you say it may be good, no one moves. Strong verbs also signal your stance, confidence, caution, or urgency, so stakeholders can prioritize. Avoid vague fillers like "may be good," "somewhat helpful," or "nice to have." Instead, choose verbs that match your evidence and intent. Precision reduces meetings, clarifies ownership, and accelerates decisions. Let's upgrade your verb toolkit so your insights land and lead to impact. Use recommend when you have strong evidence and a clear winner. Example: we recommend consolidating vendors. Pilots cut costs by 12%. Choose suggest for a moderate stance. Open to alternatives and discussion. Example: we suggest testing a freemium tier next quarter. Use propose for a formal option you're putting on the table for consideration, often with structure and scope. Example: we propose a 6-week discovery with 2 sprints to validate integrations. Think strength and formality. Recommend is confident, suggest is flexible, propose is formal. Match the verb to your certainty and the decision you're asking for. Advise signals expert guidance with reasons. Example: we advise deferring launch until accessibility issues are fixed. Legal risk is high. Urge raises priority and time sensitivity. Use when delay is costly. Example: we urge enabling rate limits today to reduce outage risk. Endorse communicates official support for a chosen path, often after review. Example: security endorses option B following penetration testing. These verbs shape expectations. Advise frames informed guidance. Urge calls for swift action. Endorse confers institutional backing. Pick the one that matches your role, urgency, and the state of decision-making. Use warn when there's a serious, plausible threat with likely impact. Example: we warn that missing Q4 deadlines will trigger SLA penalties. Choose caution when proceeding is possible, but risk needs monitoring. Example: we caution moving forward while error rates exceed 2%. Use alert for issues needing immediate attention, often operational. Example: we alert the team to a surge in fraud attempts since 10 o'clock Coordinated Universal Time. Think escalation, caution, watch, warn, probable harm, alert, act now. Clear risk verbs let readers triage fast and allocate resources effectively. Use indicate when data point to a trend with reasonable support. Example: logs indicate weekend traffic shifts to mobile. Use imply when evidence is indirect or correlation only. Example: survey comments imply pricing confusion. Use estimate for numeric judgments and include a range and basis. Example: we estimate churn at 7 to 9% based on cohort analysis. Signal what the data can and cannot prove. Indicate equals data-backed direction. Imply equals suggestive but not conclusive. Estimate equals quantified judgment with uncertainty exposed. This transparency builds credibility and guides smarter bets. Hedges like may, might, could, appears reduce certainty and are useful when evidence is early or noisy. Example: the feature may reduce support tickets. Committers like will, ensures, demonstrates show confidence when evidence is strong. Example: automated retries will cut failures by half. Over-hedging sounds timid. Over-committing risks trust. Rule of thumb: match verb strength to your evidence level, sample size, and replication. If results are consistent and causal, commit. If signals are preliminary or correlational, hedge. Then say what would upgrade confidence. Use templates to stay crisp and credible. 1. We recommend X because Y evidence. Example: we recommend retiring service A because error rates remain 3x baseline after mitigation. 2. We caution against X due to risk Z. Example: we caution against parallel launches due to resource contention. 3. Data indicate X. We estimate Y plus or minus range. Example: data indicates stronger weekend demand. We estimate 18 to 22% higher conversion. These patterns force you to name the action, the evidence or risk, and the expected magnitude. Everything decision makers need. Before you publish an IC1, choose the verb for intent. Recommend, suggest, propose, advise, urge, endorse, warn, caution, alert. 2. State evidence, risk, and action in one breath. 3. Quantify where possible, ranges, baselines, deltas. 4. Match certainty, hedge for preliminary data, commit when replicated. 5. Cut vagueness, replace may be good with a precise claim. Next, rewrite your last report using these patterns. Track responses and decision speed. You'll see clearer alignment and faster approvals.